Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back. Now, I don't know, well, first off, if you're new to the channel, I encourage you to go ahead and click the subscribe button because you never know what you'll miss while not being a part of the crafty community. With that being said, those of you who are a part of the Livie'S Lovelies craft community, I say thank you for stopping back, and without further ado, I'm going to show you some things that I picked up while I was on a little mini getaway in Tennessee recently. Now, remember, you guys, I told you that we would be heading to Tennessee to pick up my dad and bringing him back to Georgia. And so we took a few days, we headed out a few days early so that we could, you know, get a mini vacation in. To be honest with you, school was out. We had moved some things around on the calendar, and so we were there, and wouldn't you know it, there was a Tuesday morning in the area. And so me and the little guy left hubby back at the hotel, and you know, we just browsed the area. But there, I found a few things there that I hadn't seen at, well, actually just for good deals. Wasn't that I didn't see them, but one of the first things that I wanted to show you guys was the thickers. I don't know if you've seen this before, but this is great for scrapbook layouts, because when I'm trying to put the stickers and the thickers and the letters and the alphas down for titles, it's kind of hard sometimes, because you could use the T ruler if you want to do a straight line, but who said you want to do a straight line? You may want to do an arched line. So ideally what you would do is, if you're going to have your center be here, or if you want it to center it that way or that way, you would start here and you would put half of your thicker or your sticker on the template or the guide, and then you would press it down and hold on to it as you pulled it out. So it came with this one, the large arc guide, the, what is this? The small arc guide, the large wave guide, and the small wave guide, and then you've got the line guide, which is pretty good. That's pretty good. So it came with those 5, and it was just $4.99. Let me show you the SKU, or the number. Hopefully you got that. If not, it's 2075264. I'll put that back in a minute, because I ain't gonna be long. And then they had some really cute, oh, here we go. This is where I got it. They had some things that were on clearance, so that instead of it being $1.99, I think I paid maybe 40 cents for it. But you know, I love the travel themed everything, and so I got that. That's on the back. Costa Rica. I ain't been to Costa Rica. Soon come. Soon come. I picked up some of these Mr. Huey's color mists. I've already tried them out. Awesome pigmentation. You'll see that in some upcoming videos. That is 2082127, and it was for $4.99. I think it was, no, it was $4.99. And then, let's go on a few things. This die set, which I like because I can always use these on scrapbook layouts. Sorry for the glare. It's at $4.99, but it was on sale for, I think, 20 or 40% off. Okay. So it's got the favorite, love this today, fun times, friend, my happy, hello, you and me, #1, and then it's got, you can actually fit some of these sentiments inside, and then it has the die for you to cut them out, the arrows out. And then I found these Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous travel red rubberback stamps. But this is what they look like. Isn't that cute? I absolutely love these images because, you know, you could always use these, and you can use them anytime, but, you know, I've got boys, lots of boys and men in our family. So this will come in handy. Plus Father's Day is coming up. So it's $4.99. There's for that. And then I also found this. This was actually, believe it or not, this stamp set was, it was 90% off. So I think it was like 50 cents or something like that. But, you know, my son plays basketball, so, and it's by Echo Park, you know, one of my favorites. And this is polymer. You know, I'm a fan of the polymer. I love the way it smells. If I could eat it, I could. Don't judge me. And there's the number on for that. And then I found some illustrated faith stuff. I was so happy to find it. So I'm not going to take these out. I'm going to show you the back. But some die cuts. Loved. You know, some flowers, hearts, everlasting, you are loved. And if you don't know, Illustrated Faith is a Christian-based craft line. Well, actually, more like a stationery line, because they have stationery products as well. So, and that came with 35 pieces. Then I also picked up this sticker pack. And it has lots of them in there. Lots of them. Tabs. This is great for planners or cards or whatever. And here is my favorite. I got one for me and one for a crafty friend. This is the day he gives us our true gift. Blessings from today. Live in this moment, calm my heart, bring me life. He knows my heart. Amen. And I love the fact that it's women of color, because we women of color are so rarely represented here in the crafting community. So anytime I see a company that celebrates diversity and creates products that highlight and showcase women of all different ethnicities and races, I support that line. There's nothing wrong with any. And I also purchase things that from the other brands that create things for people who don't look like me. But with that being said, if I don't see evidence in your marketing that you recognize that there are a variety of women who participate in the crafting community, then you probably won't get my dollar. Because it isn't just me and my family that looks like me. There's so many different types of women, so many different races of women and ethnicities, whether they're married in or born in. With that being said, I liked this set, so I got it, and I got one for a friend as well. Anyway, so that was my quick little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.